Hello everybody, welcome to this week's virtual quiz. I hope you're all doing well and you're able to get lots of that extra exercise that we can get now. Thank you so much to everybody who did last week's quiz that we did on planets. Mrs. Anderson and I will be reading 5 questions each as always. I hope you enjoy this week's theme, which is animals. Okay, question 1. What animal is the fastest in the world?
Question 2. What are a group of lions called?
Question 3. Which large marine mammals are sometimes known as sea cows?
Question 4. What are baby goats called?
Question 5. Can you name 3 types of bears?
Question 6. What is the largest land mammal in the world?
Question number 7. What is the only continent in the world where giraffes live in the wild?
Question 8. What type of animal is a doe?
Question 9. What plant makes up most of, 99% of a giant panda's diet?
Question 10. What are baby kangaroos called?
Okay, now time for the answers. What animal is the fastest in the world? And that is a cheetah.
Question 2. What are a group of lions called? It is a pride.
Question number 3. Which large marine mammals are sometimes known as sea cows?
Question 4. What are baby goats called? And the answer is kids. A kid.
Question number 5. Can you name 3 different types of bears? Now I've had to write these down because I didn't remember them all, but you've got panda bears, polar bears, brown bears, black bears, and sloth bears are considered bears. So I found that interesting. And if there are any others that I didn't say, then you have written down, please email it to me on the Year 5 email address.
Question 6. What is the largest land mammal in the world? And it is an elephant, my favourite animal.
Number 7. What is the only continent on Earth where giraffes live in the wild? And that is Africa.
Question 8. What type of animal is a doe? And it's a female deer.
Number 9. Of course, what food makes up most of a giant panda's diet? That is bamboo.
And question 10. What is a baby kangaroo called? And the answer is Joey. How did you get on? Remember to email in to year5@gca.hearts.sch.uk to tell us your score, and also to choose next week's theme for the quiz. Hope you're all well, and I hope you all have a lovely weekend. See you soon.